Clearly I'm not penitent. But then again, have you ever seen his face? Maybe I am. And then what happens if I've come all the way over here, I've lived a secret life, a secret penitent all this time, just to come right here to Liverpool and whip that ass? Well, I'm not penitent, but I'll tell you what I did here. I heard you walk out here. It sounded like you're clearly a fan favorite out here. I think everybody loves that, right? You